Welcome to our last Leader in Me Assembly for 2022. I'm your host, London.
And I'm your host, Zoe. We are sad that we cannot all be together today, but we still want to celebrate the final assembly this year virtually. We hope you are still acting like a Lincoln leader while viewing this video.
Let's kick off this assembly with our Leader in Me cup song.
Last month, we focused on leading by doing the right thing. This month, we are focusing on leading by being respectful. That means we think win-win and seek first to understand, then to be understood.
Now let's learn a little bit more about what it means to lead by being respectfully at Lincoln Elementary.
Lincoln leaders think win-win when they are problem solvers and think of solutions that work for everyone. They also think about what others want.
Another way we lead by being respectfully is seeking first to understand, then to be understood. We do this when we listen without interrupting, raise our hands and wait to be called on, and we show empathy.
Now let's celebrate Lincoln leaders that lead by being respectful. Teachers, please pause the video when we get to your class and hand out your certificates.
Miss Kelly's 5th grade class, Olivia Shirey. Olivia works hard, is kind and helpful, and encouraging to others. She was on our purple and gold basketball team, Lincoln Singers, Jump Rope Club, and a News Crew rock star.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Kelly's 5th grade class is Alexandra Wickmark. Alexandra is kind to classmates, tries her best, and is an expressive reader. She was in our purple and gold basketball team. She's a huge Browns fan and can really throw a football.
Mrs. Corrigan's 5th grade class, Rio Blaze. Rio is kind to everyone she meets. She includes everyone and is always sensitive to the feelings of others.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Corrigan's 5th grade class is Ileana Degassis. Ileana is always focused on doing her best work. She stays on top of all assignments and makes sure to encourage others.
Miss Bunzy's 5th grade class, Andre Metry. Andre is always friendly, positive, curious, and helpful to others. Andre's genuine spirit of inquisitiveness makes him a trusted classmate who models responsible choices each day.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Bunzy's 5th grade class is Hayden Cole. Hayden is a thoughtful and caring friend. She can be counted on to lend a hand to a buddy and participates in group work, bringing her polite demeanor as an asset to the task.
In Miss Gorse's 4th grade class, Kira Hummer. Kira is a wonderful role model and an excellent Lincoln leader. She is smart, funny, kind, and helpful to her classmates. She is respectful and genuinely expresses her gratitude and appreciation for others.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Gorse's 4th grade class is Phoebe Dombranowski. Dombrowski is an excellent student. She comes to school on time, is always prepared, and works hard on all assignments. She is a great friend to her classmates and treats all the staff at Lincoln with respect and kindness.
In Mr. Braungard's fourth grade class, Maddie Klein. Maddie is respectful by listening and waiting before speaking. She also works hard at solving problems fairly.
And the second certificate winner for Mr. Braungard's fourth grade class is Gia Fasciana. Gia is respectful by following school rules and helping out whenever help is needed.
In Mrs. Bostwick's third grade class, Addie Chalker. Addie is incredibly respectful to her peers and adults. She cares about others' feelings and thoughts and always shares her opinions respectfully.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Bostwick's third grade class is John Bednar. John is a super leader who he leads by example, always being kind and respectful to his classmates and teachers. He is also very passionate and respectful to our environment, and determined to make others care too.
In Mrs. Lang's third grade class, Camilla White. Camilla is kind and helpful to her teachers and classmates. She is always willing to help.
The second leader for Miss Lang's third grade class is Mackie Hermson. Mackie is a good friend to everybody. He includes others and always offers to help.
In Mrs. Wise's second grade class, Madeline. Madeline always tries to understand when others feel sad and talks to them. She is respectful towards everyone.
And the second certificate winner for Mrs. Wise's second grade class is Cora. Cora is kind towards everyone, thinks win-win, and shows empathy throughout the day.
And Mrs. Sisson's second grade class, Lily Sweeney Matheson. Lily is very helpful, kind, and encouraging friend to her classmates. She is a good friend to all.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Sisson's second grade class is Daphne Westfall. Daphne is always kind and helpful to everyone around her. She's a team player and always makes sure to include everyone.
In Mrs. Masonette's first grade class, Blake Mears. Blake listens without interrupting, raises her hand, and shows empathy to others.
Second certificate winner for Miss Masonette's first grade class is Liam Early. Liam shows empathy to others, helps without being asked, and thinks about what others want.
In Mrs. Habistraw's first grade class, Avery Grasso. Avery is kind to her classmates. She is always thinking of others and is extremely helpful in the classroom.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Habistraw's first grade class is Hajar Atta. Hajar puts forth her best effort to complete her assignments. She's always kind and helpful to her classmates.
In Miss Cavelli's kindergarten class, Evelyn Klunk. Evelyn encompasses every habit we have. Every day she tries to learn or practice different ways to become a more wonderful person.
And Miss Scavelli's second certificate winner is Matthew McCann. Matthew has a beautiful balance in life of family, friends, learning, and laughter. He's an excellent leader.
In Mrs. Dyke's kindergarten class, Brianna Thompson. Bree is an excellent listener and hard worker. She always has a great attitude and loves to learn.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Dyke's kindergarten class is Sophia Evans. Sophia follows all of our rules and is a kind friend to everyone. She always is smiling and ready to help others.
In Mrs. Masler art leaders, Augie Blair. Augie always is patient and kind to his classmates. He sets a good example of a win-win attitude and always comes to art at class as his best self.
And the second certificate winner for Miss Masler's art leaders is Elise Manidi. Elise is always respectful to her classmates. She is understanding, compassionate, and excited to share her beautiful artwork with friends.
In Mrs. Murphy's class, Charlie Legato. Charlie is respectful by being a good listener and showing kindness to others. He works hard to make good choices.
The second certificate winner for Miss Murphy's music leaders is Faiza Salam. Faiza is respectful by being a patient listener. She thinks before she speaks, does her best, and leads by example.
Lunch recess, Riley Stewart. Riley has a win-win attitude and is a problem solver in lunchroom. She waits her turn and is always respectful.
The second certificate winner for Lunch and Recess Leaders is Michael Spossett. Michael is a pleasure to have at recess. He is respectful by always including others and following the recess rules. Great job, Michael.
Now let's check in with our community service project.
For the last 2 months, the second and third graders led us in Love Earth. If you were a member of the second or third grade community service club, please stand so we can give you a silent applause.
A very special thank you to Mrs. Fleming and Mrs. Levis for advising our student leaders and community service club throughout this year. Let's give them a silent round of applause.
We are so happy we all could gather together today. As you go off into summer break, remember that you are always Lincoln leaders in our Lakewood community. Continue to lead by doing the right thing, lead by being respectful, and lead by serving others as you enjoy your summer break.
Keep up the great work, Lincoln, and remember to learn, lead, succeed.